Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete downloaded field or pending updates in your Windows Update application on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So dito lang sa start menu, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa searching bar ay search lang natin yung File Explorer. And then open lang natin. And then ang next ay dito lang sa left side ay kailangan mo lang select tong this PC. And then dito sa ating this PC ay kailangan mo lang mag-select dito yung local drives natin. So double click lang tayo dito. And then next ay kailangan lang natin i-select yung Windows. So dito sa Windows, double click ulit tayo. And then dito sa Windows, kailangan lang natin i-select yung software distribution. Ito siya. So dito, double click ulit tayo. And then dito sa software distribution, select mo lang dito yung download. So double click ulit tayo. And then dito sa download, kailangan lang natin itong i-delete lahat. Okay, so delete lang natin yan. And then click yung delete. And then click mo lang tong box. Do this for all current items. So click mo lang yan. And then click mo tong continue. Ayan, so after ma-delete natin yan, so close lang tayo. And then pagkatapos ay click lang natin tong start menu and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. So click mo lang yan and then click lang natin tong restart yung PC natin. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano mag-delete ng downloaded field and pending Windows update sa Windows 11 or Windows 10. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.